Hello, so Frederico Duarte de Almeida here. So this is video number 4, and for this video we're gonna be creating some shipping options, a new shipping carrier for my eShop with the option to next day delivery. Alright, so in order to to access the shipping options and create new delivery options, we have to go to the shipping section and here, and then on carriers. Alright, so we can see here that we have PrestaShop, which is pickup in store, and my carrier, deliver next day. So in order to add another option, we have to go here, add new carrier. Just wait a little bit, it's loading, as you can see here. Alright, so here we have to just add the new carrier name. We can just put for example UPS transit time. We have to put next day shipping, speed grade in 9, which is fastest, and then we have to press next. Handling costs, we're gonna leave no. Free shipping, no. Billing, according to the total weight, no taxes. Range, let's just put here 2 kilos to up to 10 kilos. So for price, here we're gonna pick only North America, and let's put here 4.99. Add new range. Oh, let's just skip one, and then we press next. So max size, maximum package width, let's put it here 60 by 60 by 60, and here maximum of 25 kilos. Now we press finish. Now we press next, and here's the summary. So the carrier name is UPS. It has the option for next day shipping, can deliver orders from 2 kilos to 10 kilos. and it's in North America, and for all the clients, visitors, guests, and customers. And we're gonna enable, yes, and finish. Alright, it's loading. Just wait a few seconds. Alright, so as you can see, our new carrier option is here. UPS, next day shipping, and the status shows that it's enabled. So, job done. I hope you guys liked the video, and yes, I see you in the next session. Thanks.